everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create smooth and realistic cloth videos in just a few seconds using SnapMyDesign's AI video generator. You only need one cloth image, no models, no studio, no recording setup. Let's get started. First, log into your SnapMyDesign account. If you're new, you can sign up for free and start right away. From the left sidebar, click on Video Generation and then select Video Generator. This will open your workspace for creating AI-powered clothing videos. Click on Upload an image and choose the clothing image you want to animate. Now move to the Controls section. First, choose how detailed and fast you want your output to be. Next, select video length, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. SnapMyDesign gives you two ways to create your video. Option A, select from video templates. Scroll through the available video templates. These include various fashion poses and subtle movements. Just click on any template you like. The selected template will be highlighted. Option B, use your own prompt. If you want a custom-style video, you can enter your own text prompt. Once you have selected either a template or written a prompt, click on Generate. SnapMyDesign's AI will process your clothing image and create a smooth animated cloth video. Your final video will appear on the right under Generated Result. If you're happy with the output, click Download and save your new animated cloth video instantly. You can now use it for Instagram Reels, clothing catalog videos, social media promotions. It's fast, easy, and doesn't require any video skills. Show static clothing image to smooth animated AI cloth video. As you can see, the AI turns a simple photo into a dynamic clothing video instantly. And that's how you can create stunning AI cloth videos using SnapMyDesign's video generator. If you found this helpful, like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment which SnapMyDesign feature you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.